Searching for the best 24-volt battery charger in 2024? In this video, we review the top 5 chargers that provide reliable and efficient power for electric vehicles, power tools, and more. Whether you need fast charging or durability, we got the best options to keep your batteries in peak condition. Stay tuned to find out which one suits your needs. Number 5. The KAISAL 24V20A Smart Forklift Battery Charger is an excellent, versatile charging solution for various 24V vehicles such as forklifts, golf carts, pallet jacks, and floor scrubbers. Featuring a 600W output, this fully automatic charger is designed to efficiently recharge batteries with minimal effort. The LCD display keeps users informed by showing real-time charging information, including current, voltage, and full charge status, making monitoring simple and stress-free. One of the standout features is its 4-stage smart charging technology, which prevents overcharging and extends battery life through trickle charging. Additionally, the charger can even help repair batteries with sulfated plates. Users can feel secure with its 6 protection functions, including overcharge and short-circuit protection, ensuring the charger operates safely. The lightweight design, built-in cooling fan, and portable handle make it easy to carry and use in various settings. The charger also includes a spare plug for wide compatibility, allowing users to adapt it to different vehicles. Customer reviews emphasize ease of setup, solid build quality, and efficient charging performance, making this a reliable option. With a 3-year warranty and responsive customer support, the KAISAL 24V20A charger is a smart investment for anyone needing a dependable and feature-rich battery charger. Number 4. The PCHH 12V 24V heavy-duty car battery charger is a powerful and versatile solution for maintaining and restoring a wide range of lead-acid batteries. Weighing 12.4 pounds, this charger is built with durable materials including a copper coil and ABS casing, ensuring long-lasting performance. It supports all types of batteries, from AGM and GL to deep cycle, making it suitable for cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and even lawn mowers. The charger offers 2 charging rates: fast charging and trickle charging, automatically detecting whether you're charging a 12V or 24V battery. Its repair mode is particularly impressive, as it can revive dead batteries, offering significant savings by restoring instead of replacing old batteries. Designed to function in all climates, the charger features a winter mode that provides optimal charging during cold weather for stronger engine starts. The clear LCD display makes monitoring the charging process easy, providing real-time information on current, voltage, and charge percentage. With multiple safety features, including auto shutoff, reverse polarity protection, and short-circuit protection, the PCHH charger ensures both battery and user safety. Additionally, it can act as a stable 12V power supply for various devices. Backed by a 3-year warranty, this charger delivers reliability and peace of mind. Number 3. The CMTOOL 24V30A forklift battery charger is a powerful and versatile charging solution for all types of 24V lead-acid batteries, making it ideal for forklifts, pallet jacks, floor scrubbers, and more. With a 1250W output and fast charging capability, this smart charger is designed for heavy-duty performance, efficiently charging your battery and automatically stopping once fully charged. One of its standout features is the intelligent temperature sensor, which adjusts the charging voltage based on the ambient temperature for optimal performance. The easy-to-read 3-color indicator light lets users monitor the charging status at a glance, ranging from low charge to fully charged. The advanced 7-stage smart charging technology and trickle charging mode help to prevent overcharging, extending the battery's lifespan. With built-in safety protections, including over-voltage, over-current, and short-circuit safeguards, this charger ensures a secure charging process. Its IP67 waterproof and shockproof design, combined with resistance to extreme temperatures, makes it a reliable option for outdoor use. Weighing only 6.4 pounds, this charger is portable and comes with a 15.1 feet heavy-duty cable and Anderson plug for added convenience. Users have praised its performance and durability, especially when used with lifts and other heavy machinery. Additionally, it comes with a 3-year warranty, ensuring long-term reliability and peace of mind. Number 2. The Noco GPRO 25 is a high-performance 25, a smart car battery charger designed for professionals who demand exceptional charging power and versatility. Capable of handling 6V, 12V, and 24V lead-acid and lithium batteries, this portable charger works with a range of automotive, marine, and deep-cycle batteries, including AGM and maintenance-free types. It delivers fast, precision charging with an integrated thermal sensor that adjusts the charge to account for extreme temperatures, ensuring your battery is never overcharged or undercharged. One of the standout features is its ability to charge deeply discharged batteries, detecting even those with as little as 1 volt. The innovative force mode allows users to manually initiate charging for batteries with 0 volts, providing the ability to revive seemingly dead batteries. In addition, the charger's built-in desulfation and battery repair modes restore lost battery performance, extending the life of your batteries and improving engine starts. This rugged, professional-grade charger features ultra-flexible silicone cabling with protective nylon-braided shielding, ensuring durability in demanding environments. Weighing 11 pounds, the GPRO 25 is built for heavy-duty performance while still being portable. It's also an excellent power supply for ECU flashing and diagnostic testing. Users praise its powerful circuitry, reliable repair modes, and effectiveness in maintaining and reviving batteries, making it a top choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 1. The Associated Equipment 6006 AGM charger is a robust and reliable solution for automotive professionals seeking high power and performance in battery charging. This heavy-duty charger handles 6V, 12V, and 24V batteries, delivering up to 70A, 65A, and 30A of charging power respectively, and features an impressive 280-amp cranking assist for jump-starting. Built with a durable steel frame and equipped with wheels, the 6006 AGM is a versatile tool in any shop or garage. Proudly made in the USA, Associated is known for its rigorous quality standards, conducting 100% end-of-line testing on every product, which minimizes out-of-box failures. The charger is trusted by OEM vehicle manufacturers for its reliability in charging, testing, and cranking support. With a total weight of 52 pounds, this charger is sturdy but easily portable thanks to its wheel design, making it convenient for professional use across various workspaces. Customers praise the 6006 AGM for its high-quality build and the reputation of Associated Equipment as a dependable company. Its ability to handle AGM and standard batteries, along with the powerful cranking assist, makes it an essential tool for mechanics and professionals who deal with multiple vehicles. The combination of American craftsmanship and reliable performance makes this charger a solid investment for those who need consistent power and durability. Thanks for watching our review of the top 5 best 24-volt battery chargers in 2024. If this video helped you find the perfect charger, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for future tech reviews and recommendations. Let us know in the comments which charger you're leaning towards, or if you have any favorites to suggest. Stay powered up, and we'll see you in the next video.